Hi guys, today I want to show you something special of mine. It's my puppy. I got him on the 26th of April, on Friday, 2013. So it's the 2nd of April today, so about a week ago. And he's 10 weeks old. And his breed is a Bichon Frise mixed with a Shih Tzu. Buddy! Buddy! My auntie loves him. If you've seen on my previous videos, me and my auntie did makeup together. That's her. Oh! Where have you gone? Say hello. Say hello. What's that? It's my hamster. As you've seen him on some of my videos as well, or my sisters. Oh look, there's a bird. How is there a bird that close in our garden? Are you going to scare that away then? Oh no, buddy, we're going to say bye-bye now. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Little teddy bear.